EHang is moving fast when it comes to expanding its global presence. And it's pretty impressive considering its aircraft are designed to fly completely on their own. The EH216S already made history as the first fully certified autonomous eVTOL of its kind, and now the company is taking things international in a big way. Its latest move brings it to Turkey, partnering with the country's leading telecom and digital solutions provider to start building something new. The idea of seeing the EH216S flying over the Bosphorus Strait without a pilot, carrying passengers, or even delivering medical supplies sounds like something straight out of a futuristic movie. But while that vision is exciting, it's not happening overnight. Right now, the focus is on laying the groundwork through a partnership between EHang, Turk Telekom, and its tech arm Argela. Turkey is still at an early stage when it comes to advanced air mobility and eVTOL operations, so there's a lot to figure out first. Regulations need to be developed, infrastructure has to be built, and air traffic systems must be adapted to handle these new types of aircraft. Since the EH216S operates without a pilot, managing unmanned traffic becomes even more important, adding another layer of complexity. That's where this collaboration really comes into play. After signing an agreement at Mobile World Congress 2026 with support from Turkey's transport authorities, the goal is to create a complete framework that will eventually allow these aircraft to operate safely and efficiently. Turk Telecom's 5G network and Argela's unmanned traffic management system are expected to play a huge role in making that happen. In the early stages, the focus will be on testing and validating the systems, especially the traffic management side and regulatory processes. Commercial operations like passenger flights, emergency medical services, and logistics will come later, once everything is proven to work smoothly and safely. As for the aircraft itself, the EH216S is a compact two-seater designed for short trips. It can travel up to 35 kilometers at speeds of around 130 kilometers per hour, and it takes about 2 hours to fully recharge. It's already achieved multiple certifications, including type certification, airworthiness approval, and production certification, which is a big deal for an autonomous aircraft. EHang isn't stopping there either. The company has also introduced a more advanced model called the VT-35, built for longer distances. It features a more robust design with multiple lift propellers for vertical takeoff and a separate propeller for cruising efficiently. While the cabin setup is similar, the big highlight is its much longer range of up to 200 kilometers. At the same time, EHang is already looking ahead, working on future versions, including a tilt-rotor design based on the VT-35. Everything they're developing continues to revolve around autonomous flight, showing just how committed they are to a pilotless future in aviation.